Good morning and welcome to e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy, Bethian. Students, myself Dr. Jayan, and we have the first chapter of the microeconomics of class 11. In the previous video, we discussed about the definitions of the economics and classified different types of definitions of economics in different categories. Now we have to discuss about the economic activities. After it, we have to define economy. Economic activity. All the activities of the human being related to the scarce resources to satisfy the unlimited wants of the human are called economic activity. It means those activities performed by the human being which are related to scarce resources to satisfy their wants are the economic activities. Here two things are noted in the economic activities. First, scarce resources, and unlimited wants or desires. All the activities related to these two things, scarce resources and unlimited wants, are considered economic activity. You already know that scarce resources and problem of choice are the essence of economics. We can understand it by these points. Scarcity. Scarcity refers to a situation in which demand for resources is greater than the supply of resources. Scarcity is a situation in which demand for resources are greater than supply of resources. Demand for resources are greater than the supply of resources. These problems leads to the scarcity and the problem of choice, which are the essence of management. We can understand these things with the help of the following points. Students, human wants or desires are unlimited. Human wants or desires are unlimited. Second, resources are limited or scarce. But the feature of resource is that resources can be put into alternative uses. Resources can be put into alternative native uses. All the wants or desires of the human being are not equally intensive. All the wants are not equally intensive. And fifth, economic problem is the problem of choice. Economic problem is the problem of choice. Human wants or desires are unlimited. There are unlimited wants or desires. But the resources to satisfy these needs are limited. Resources can be put into the alternative uses. All the wants of human being are not equally intensive, and the economic problem is the problem of choice. In this way, scarcity causes the problem of choice or problem of selection, that in which option we have to put the resources so that we can maximize our benefit. We can understand it with the help of an example. Suppose a student has 500 rupees and we have the different choice. First, he wants to buy a book. Second, he wants to buy a t-shirt. Third, he wants to purchase some other things. Now, he can't fulfill all his needs with the help of the 500 rupees, by the 500 rupees. Then he have to choose in which option he has to put his money. If he is a good student, he will buy the book. He will choose the option of the buying book. In this way, these problems arise in the every sector of the economy, whether it is consumer sector or the producer sector, whether it is at the individual level or household level or the whole economy level. This problem arises. That is the problem of scarce resources, and the problem of choice arises, and they have to choose the proper option to maximize their benefit. In this way, we see that economic activities are those activities of human being which are concerned with the scarce resources to satisfy their wants. The main economic activities are the consumption, production, exchange, investment. We will discuss in the next video. Now watch the next video.